We are on another beach hunt once again. I know, I have been sharing a lot of beach related videos, but that's what you got here. We are on our way to Hikkaduwa, but we don't have a really specific plan of what to do, like where to go, nothing. We just got on the train, came to Hikkaduwa, and now on our way to the beach, which is just about 5 minutes away from the station. You can easily get to the beach with the shortcut right next to the PNS cafe. So we are at the beach. There was not much happening. Some locals were there, and literally nothing else. Really, they were just having their own time. So we decided to walk along towards the Turtle Beach, which is about 1 kilometer away from here. You can actually go over the rocks in the beach and cross there, but we decided to walk on foot on the road, which is very easy. So as we walk past, we get to see the tourist spots and the shops around here, and it really looks beautiful at the night time. So we are here at the Turtle Beach now. It is really easy to find, like it is right next to the main road, and we got some company here. There's a big one right there, and you can actually feed them. You see that man there? He sells those some kind of plants that these turtles eat. So you can actually buy from him, or you can just have a close look at the turtles. Now from here onwards, the beach plans non-stop. So as we didn't have any plans, we just decided to walk along the beach. So, and here we are. Now we were at the Turtle Beach, just on the other side, and then we started walking just along the beach without any plans. As you can see, some spots of the beach are crowded. Not really crowded, but some people are there. But on most sections, the beach feels empty. So we kept on walking, and I really don't have an idea where we were, but just we kept going like without a reason. And this is the off season, so maybe this area will be more crowded on seasonal days, but as of now there were not many people, and we just went along with it. Now the beautiful thing is, if you look backwards, the sun is setting, but if you look forward, there's beautifully bright sunny skies. So you're completely getting two different views on your front and on your back. So that's really beautiful indeed. They were just having fun, and without knowing, we were actually at the Narigama beach, which I have a separate video done already. So if you missed it, you can watch it from this link I add in the description. And there we met some friends, not really friends, like we didn't know each other, but we got to know some people and became friends with these guys playing volleyball. The sun setting on one side, bright and sunny on the other side. It is a beautiful setting at the Narigama beach now. And then we spent some time at the Narigama beach, watched them play, and also did play with them a little. Volleyball is not my thing actually, so I'm not so good at it, but I enjoyed watching them play. Like they are still on the learning curve, I think, looking at the way they play, but I really tried to get a good view on these, like a special player or something, but they are not pros, so acceptable, no worries. So that's how our evening was spent actually. We stayed here watching them and the sunset on the other side till it gets dark. To close up this video, I will share some of the beautiful shots I got on the sunset and the beach. So that's it from this one. I hope you guys like this video, and if you have any questions regarding Hikkaduwa, or especially on off-season days, please comment them down below. And if you like the video, please comment your thoughts and like and subscribe the channel as well. We'll see you with a new video very soon. Bye for now.